Stationery haul time! No, this is not a drill. I'm actually back with stationery hauls. Hi, I'm Haley and I love stationery since I was a kid, and today on my channel we are a big family of stationery addicts. I took a break from them thinking that, you know what, maybe you're bored of it, but every single subscriber I've met over the past year has been telling me to bring them back and you really love them. So this video is for you and because of you. I went to Mr. DIY recently and here's everything that I bought. The first thing is this weekly planner. This was for 170 rupees, which is a steal, but when I opened it I figured out why. It has all like non-colored pages and they're like a bit thin, so we can't use those markers with this. But see, if you're on a budget then you're getting a golden spiral, and such a trending design like this on your desk will look superb with all the swirls and this really fun color combo, very Y2K, and I love how the green is clashing with the red. Like, it's a very cool and warm tone clashing, and that's looking very superb. And this is two-sided, so then you want to be able to use the other side too. This is undated. You know I'm a sucker for undated stationery because see, I can't do planning and all. I don't want the burden कि ओ अब इस पे dates है तो अब मुझे हर हफ्ते के हर दिन plan करना ही है. So I love this. So for 170 rupees we're off to a really good start. Next we have this bag. It's a gift bag which says happy birthday because mama का birthday आ रहा है 20th June and मेरा भी आ रहा है 26th June. So I was like, you know what, maybe we can just repurpose this bag for two occasions. More than personal use. I actually wanted to show you this because this is for 99 rupees at Mr. DIY. And look at the vibe. It has like a flower over here on the handle, and then it has a 3D pastry on it with candles and everything. This is in gold foiling, so I thought that this is looking so luxurious and so thoughtful to keep these bags at your house. And whenever there's an occasion, instead of gift wrapping, you can just put things in this. It saves time. It is almost the same price because gift wrappers these days, those paper ones जिस पे print होती है, they're also expensive. And then if you want to get it done from outside, तो 100 रुपये में तो कोई भी करके नहीं देता. So I thought it was a really nice idea to have these at your home. They are two-sided. बस पीछे के साइड पे ना there's no gold foiling and 3D, but at least the print is there. And I found this much better than gift wrapping. So if you have any occasions coming up, stock this up in your home. They're a great time saver and a very nice like emotional touch to any gift. I love flowers, and this decal, it's not a decal, it's actually made out of foam. This is a sunflower veil and I was like, ये बहुत प्यारी. I don't know what I want to do with this yet, but this is too cute and very reasonably priced. It is written 109, but like Mr. DIY, all prices are lesser only than the MRP. ये कुछ 70 or 60 rupees का था, and these flowers can also be cut out from this and placed separately. I have many bags which I have given away जिसका ना वो PU leather निकलने लगा है, and I don't want to throw them away. So you know, you can actually stick flowers on your bags and make them like a really fun traditional bag too, or a summery bag. And I think that's what I might use these up for. They are actually meant to be put on the room, design your wall. You can do that, but ये बहुत छोटा है and any wall is bigger than this. तो सिर्फ fake stickers, I feel like it adds more clutter to the wall. So it's better to use them separately somewhere. Sorry, I'm a bit illiterate with pop culture. मुझे इतना नहीं पता होता about like Hollywood songs, but I know that there's this trend of buying yourself flowers. I bought mine too. These are orchids, I think, and they're a pale yellow color with the classic orchid center. I bought fake flowers only because I don't trust myself with real plants. I love traveling way too much and I don't want to kill any living plant. This is one single stem, but I feel like क्योंकि लंबा है ना, if you have a vase which is thin and tall, it will look superb in that. I actually plan to use these for PR shoots and to have it on flat lace. And this was for 220 rupees. इस पे कुछ भी discount नहीं था, पर ये मुझे बहुत सुंदर लगा. It's actually looking a bit realistic and it makes me happy. It lifts my mood up like a real flower would. Okay, you and I need to take a water break. Look at these erasers. Oh, sorry. Erasers है. I'm not completely wrong about the pencils. I think I did buy a pack of erasers also. लेकिन इसके ऊपर this hibiscus flower is everywhere on t-shirts and on tote bags. And when I saw that on pencils, I was like, यार ये तो लेना पड़ेगा. This is too Pinteresty to skip. It has 5 pencils with all of these really beautiful erasers on top. I love the finishing क्योंकि कई बार ना these colors are off or the print is off, but with this it's hitting the perfect aesthetic. The pencil is too printed. अगर ये plain होती तो सोचो यार, like plain pink, plain blue, this would, I think इसकी प्राइस 4 गुना कर देते वो लोग अगर एस्थेटिक इतना ऑन पॉइंट होता मिस्टर DIY का. दिस वॉज फॉर 85. आई थिंक आई पेड 50 or 60 रुपीज़ फॉर द एंटायर पैक एंड इट्स ग्रेट. आई डोंट इंटेंड टू यूज़ इट मच. इसको मुझे छोटा नहीं करना. आई वॉन्टेड टू स्टैंड इन माई लिटिल पेन स्टैंड एंड इट विल लुक Very nice. And the notebook run begins because when you go to Mr. DIY, you can't come back with just 1 or 2 notebooks because they're too cute, quite affordable as well. And this is the very first one. This has छोटू छोटू cactus all over it, and whenever a book has binding like this, मुझे बहुत kawaii vibes आती है उससे. It says catch the moment into your precious time. All these quotes are very random on all the notebooks. उनका ना most of the times कोई sense बनता नहीं है. But इसका color scheme, उई, sorry you can't see me. Yeah, I'm back. Let me increase the brightness. आज monsoon में ना इतना the sun is gone. The colors of the छोटू cactus pots are also very perfect. Even on the back you have all the 4 cactus in like big. I think it's called cacti. Please tell me in the comments, is multiple cactus called cacti? Probably. When we open it, it's all rolled. It is actually giving very Japanese vibes. I love this notebook. This was for 47 rupees only. Pages कम है, I agree, but it's nice, handy dandy, एकदम पतली सी notebook to put in a laptop bag when you don't need to make many notes. Talking about flamingos and all things tropical, I found a hand napkin again with this सुंदर सी print. It's a very beautiful pastel pink color. मुझे ऐसी pencil चाहिए थी पता है, with like the flamingo and a plain pink thing. This was for 85 rupees MRP. Just 10-20% तो कम कर ही देना उसमें से. Generally, it's a very soft material, and if it's hanging in the bathroom or even at the kitchen sink, it will look very nice. बहुत ही सही कलर है इसका. Another notebook. This has छोटू flowers. खोलती हूँ मैं एक सेकेंड. जब ये स्पाइरलिंग होती है ना नोटबुक पे, I actually like it a lot. It is just easier to flip the pages and actually have the entire page to be utilized. Whenever there's normal binding, वो थोड़ा जगह वेस्ट होता ही है और फिर उसको ऐसे दबा के रखना पड़ता है. I don't want to put pressure on the notebook यार. I just want it to be open on its own. इसकी पेजेस पतले है. वो जो कैक्टस वाली नोटबुक थी ना, उसके पेजेस काफ़ी थिक एंड अच्छे थे. इसके तो यार बहुत ही ज़्यादा पतला. I can literally see आर पार from these, but I did not check it before buying it, so my mistake. ये around 100 rupees की थी. इस पे जो notes लिखा है ना, that is holographic. You can see that na, and all these flowers are also muted pastel colors, so they're not exactly pastel, they're a bit deep, but they're muted, which is, I really like it. This aesthetic is very much fun. You are not ready to see these socks. मम्मी ने already बोल दिया that she wants like at least 1 pair from these. इसको मैंने ऐसे ही फ्लिप किया and they are so like, इसके जो 3D flowers है, they're straight out of Pinterest again. Like if you have a Mr. DIY near you, which I'm sure you'll have because they're literally opening everywhere, you need to run at least for this pair of socks if nothing else. खोल ही देते ना इसको अभी. कितने के थे ये? I didn't buy the right size. No, I did. It's euro 36 to 40. I'm a 40. तो मुझे थोड़ा छोटा हो सकता है ये. This was for 310. I think 270 के पड़े थे मुझे 3 pairs. This is so cute यार. ये देखो. Just these flowers are everything with the cable knit right here. This is the first pair. This is the second pair. And this is the third pair. Which is your favorite? My favorite is this one, which has the yellow and orange flowers both. बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यार है. नॉर्मली मिस्टर DIY के सॉक्स की क्वालिटी मुझे नहीं पसंद आती बिकॉज आई लाइक माई सॉक्स टू बी एक्सट्रीमली थिक एंड सॉफ्ट. बट दिस इज़ फॉर द एस्थेटिक. दिस इज़ नॉट फॉर फंक्शनल पर्पसेज. इसको मैं चप्पल के साथ ही पहन सकती हूँ बिकॉज इफ द सॉक डज नॉट गो अबव माई एंकल तो मुझे शो बाइट होता ही है. तो ये मैं शूज़ के साथ तो नहीं पहन पाऊँगी, बट आई हैव सम ट्रांसपेरेंट शूज़. मे बी इन दैट वी कैन वेयर दिस. वेरी वेरी क्यूट. दिस स्टिकी नोट बुक. ओह, 108 रुपीज़. पहले ही नोट डाउन कर लेते हैं क्योंकि ये पैकेट अभी जा रहा है. ये कितनी क्यूट है दिस स्टिकी नोट. ओके, लेट्स ओपन इट. जस्ट सिया, इसमें 4 ये वाले. एक तो कलर, क्या कलर स्कीम सेलेक्ट किए, मज़ा आ गया. प्लस दीज स्टिकी नोट्स हैव रूल्स. व्हेन वी फ्लिप टू द नेक्स्ट सेक्शन देयर आर मोर. देयर आर फ्रिकिंग मोर. एंड देन देयर इज अ बिगर वन टू. Why did I buy only one of this? Why? I should have bought so many more. Oh, ये leather finish कर रहे हैं यार ये लोग. क्या कर रहे हैं? I need their manufacturer's number because I have so many more ideas in this concept. Girl, like this is leather finish. They've put a transparent thing on top. कितना सोचा यार. नेक्स्ट अ सिमिलर नोटबुक. दिस इज़ फॉर 66 ओनली. इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट. ठीक है, अगेन आई हैड सीन एन ओपन पीस इन अ डिफरेंट कलर. दैट वाज ब्लू कलर. दिस एक्चुअली हैज़ अ मिनी नोटबुक इन फ्रंट. लुक एट दिस. So if you want to make quick notes or something small, you can write it here, and then this is the actual notebook. So it was a very interesting concept, yeah, that I saw. This has gold falling on the butterflies, and it looks like this is a cloud. You can't see it. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is what it looks like. पीछे से it has the print, but I think that's standard Mr. DIY. पीछे there's no foiling, but at least there's print. It's not like plain and solid color. इसके pages are good quality. Like this is nice and thick. I like that. Whenever I go to Flying Tiger, when I visit say Europe or UK, उधर ना 1 pound में नहीं मिलता ये सब. This stuff over there would easily be like 4-5 pounds to 400-500 रुपए. So Mr. DIY is doing great with the pricing. Do you want to see a very random thing? We bought this. This reminds me of Freddy Krueger for some reason. What movie is Freddy Krueger from? I think उसका हाथ ऐसा होता था. This my mother wanted for हमारे तुलसी का plant क्योंकि right now Papa does it with a fork. So she thought that you know what, let's keep this. And then I was just telling her what Final Destination movie is about. I told her कि इसको थोड़ा संभाल के रखना. We don't want this hurting anybody because it is quite sharp. तो we bought this for 70 rupees. Oh wow, yeah. Cotton puffs at Mr. DIY were cheaper than Miniso, but I couldn't touch and feel it. I just hope they're thick. जो एकदम पतले होते हैं ना वो मुझे बिल्कुल जमते नहीं है. This pack was for 85, मतलब around 75 rupees का पड़ा होगा. Are they thick? They are! Yay! Look at it. It is so nice and thick. ए इतना भी झाड़ा नहीं है. I celebrated before we won. Bad habit, Haley. It's okay. It's not the thinnest makeup pad I've used, but I prefer them to be thicker. And in which ways, Miniso में भी मिलते हैं ये पतले वाले, so I have to always check before buying that they're not the thin ones. So you can check out Mr. DIY for better pricing for makeup removing cotton pad. Okay, then I bought these stickers. I don't think these are stickers. These are just die cut cardstocks. Look at the print. इतना सुंदर, इतना प्यारा है ये. I don't know if these have adhesive like glue behind them. Let's open this. I don't know यार. I really don't know. छतरी है ये. कितने cute छतरी है ये. No, these don't have glue, but that's okay. इसको journal पे चिपकाना और putting them in your transparent phone cover. I need to do this today itself. Just imagine these flowers overlapping each other on your phone cover. I've dropped one, which I'm very anxious about. I need to pick it up immediately वरना कचरे में ना चले जाए. बहुत ही प्यारे हैं. How much were these? मैंने गिरा दिया. इसका price tag का ये. These were around 120 rupees from what I remember. Great deal for such great color schemes and perfect precision है काटने का. इसको जब print out करते हैं तब अलग अलग shapes काटना is a nightmare. So getting it ready made is everything. Look at them. ये sun कितना प्यारा है. And these flower bouquets. ये भी bill हाथ लगाए मेरे. Oh yeah, 2 bills happened because it's not even fitting. Yeah, it's just fitting in the screen. I found 2 items at the billing counter, तो उसका bill अलग हो गया. Where are we next? Oh, this notepad set. Okay, 143 rupees for a magnetic whiteboard with a marker holder भी है इसमें and an eraser and this sticky note set. What are you up to, Mr. DIY? Like, are you selling all this to us for losses? This is very fun, very Animal Kingdom theme. Yes, it is attached. इसको चिपकाया है ना इसके ऊपर. Yeah, it's stuck to this, which is great. If you just want to make some note for your grocery shopping list, इस पे लिखो फाड़ो ले चलो. I'm just so grateful for my family. Harsh, because sometimes the marker is इतना dark कि जब उसको erase करने चाहते हैं ना उसका पूरा marks रह जाता है. Not with this one. Thank God it's a great quality and the marker is not सूखा हुआ. Important update. The marker also has a magnet, so this also can be stuck directly on the fridge if you don't want to put it on the holder. Okay, then we have this eye cooling mask. If you don't have one, if you've not tried one, you need it. I think the number of times I've shown one on this channel, I should be having at least 10 right now. I only have 2. किधर गए मेरे बाकी सारे gel eye masks? So this has a cooling gel like this. So you can keep this in the fridge and then you can put this in your eye mask like this and wear it for like at least 5 minutes a day क्योंकि इतना screen time हो गया है सबके life में. You do a job, business, you study, whatever you do, you have screen time and your eyes heat up so much. It's like a car, it's like your phone. If you overuse it, your eyes do get warm. So this makes me feel 10 times better at the end of the day and this was around 70 rupees only, which is a great deal. टोस्टर में ब्रेड है यार. ऑफ कोर्स टोस्टर में ब्रेड ही होता है बट लुक एट दिस ब्रेड. हाउ कवाई इज दिस. इवन द टोस्टर हैज अ फेस. दिस वाज फॉर 79 रुपीज़ MRP. इसके अंदर भी कलरफुल पेजेस है यार. एंड लुक एट दिस, देयर इज अ ब्रेड पीछे ऑल्सो. बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्यूट है ये. आई लव इट व्हेन इट हैज़ लाइक अ Shape like this, Mr. DIY. Thank you for bringing so much joy with this tiny stationery. Oh, I did buy more flowers. I had forgotten about these. These are also some sunflowers. They can be tied. This was for 63 rupees. Like when I go to other craft stores, all of this is much more expensive. I haven't figured out yet कि मुझे इसका करना क्या है, पर मुझे बहुत ही अच्छे लगे. I think there are 10. Wow, just look at the finish of this. Even the center has texture, the petals are nice, and the stems are bendable. Yeah, it's such a cute little bouquet. Boys, please take notes that if your girl is not into real flowers, you can just get her something like this. It will make her day, it'll make her month. Let me tell you, get this for your girl. Back to my endless supply of notebooks. What is this looking like? Oh, this is the same price, 109 rupees, but इसका जो F है, it says look for joy. See, look for joy. तो इसका जो F है ना, it gives me Devanagari vibes. It makes me feel like it is a bit desi the way it's written, and whenever there's a good quote that can instantly make me feel better, it's a come home with me kind of situation. And again, the color scheme is so pyara. It goes with my room. Like everything is pastel in my room. And yeah, page quality I forgot कि उसकी भी इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी, but ये plastic में wrap था तो मैंने खोला नहीं उधर. So if you're actually going to use it with all your markers and everything, then skip it. But if you're just going to use if you use a pencil, I'm getting a call. Who is it? Adidev ka phone hai. Give me 2 minutes. Where were we? I actually forgot. I think we were done with this notebook. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, this looks like a postcard from somewhere, and I actually bought it for the mini pen because whenever I carry a cute notebook, see, this is what I'm carrying right now. This notebook I bought from London, I think. This is from Flying Tiger, the store I was telling you about. And isme hamesha I end up carrying a pen like this, which kind of damages my notebook from inside. So having a tiny pen which can actually fit in the spiral binding was my selling point for the notepad. Look how cute. अब देखिए कितने का था ये 85 का था. That's not यार, ये ना मिनिमम मैंने 300-400 की ली है. आई एम टेलिंग यू. इसके पेजेस अंदर से है वैसे रेनबो वाले, क्यूट है, बट आई हैड नो चॉइस ऑफ लाइक अफोर्डेबल बुक्स लाइक दीज ओवर देयर. So satisfying. Good quality pages. Yes. Hi GSM. Very thick. I think I can use highlighters with this. ऐसा लग तो रहा है इसको देख के. And इसका finish is also very very nice. And there's a mini. These details. पीछे भी whenever there's like some print, it makes me so happy. Please be working. मैं इस पे सीधा नहीं try करने वाली. I'm gonna try it on my hand. Yeah, it's nice and smooth. Great. चलो. Again, me happy. Okay, I need to wipe this off. So we're just going to put the pen right here, and this can be my new handy dandy notebook. I am a very old school person who needs to make notes. मतलब iPhone notes है, मतलब whatever phone notes है, but I prefer doing it physically because it actually puts the idea in my brain well enough to execute it. अगर मैं notes यहाँ पे बनाती हूँ ना, I have like a million notes जिसका मैंने कुछ किया नहीं है, and more often than not, if it is in my physical notebook, that task ends up happening. Tell me, are you also the same? This pink set. इतना प्यारा था. यू नो दिस पेन सेक्शन वॉज वेरी वेरी अजीब एट माई स्टडी आई वाई. मुझे बहुत टाइम लगा टू फाइंड एटलीस्ट वन थिंग दैट वॉज क्यूट, बट ये जो एक चीज़ दिखी ये एक्चुअली ना बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्यूट है. इट हैज़ पेन पेंसिल का लेड, अ पेन पेंसिल ऑफ कोर्स, अ पेन, एंड वॉट इज़ दिस? आई थिंक अ जेल पेन ऑल्सो. यार काफ़ी सही है. देर इज़ अ स्केल ऑल्सो. इतना ध्यान तो मैंने दिया नहीं था तभी. दिस इज़ फॉर 238. आई लव चेक्स एंड गिंगम, एंड दिस इज़ एग्जैक्टली दैट. एंड दिस लुक्स लाइक what? This is a fine tip pen. I was not expecting this. Wow. Again, this has gingham and checks. I'm very impressed with how even for like affordable value items also they've mentioned all the details. Stupid me did not read it. 2B pencil hai ye. Okay, this looks like the 2B pencil. Very very cute. You can see the happiness on my face yaar. Stationery makes me happier than flowers. It is what it is. इसका nib देखो, it's not a generic pen pencil. It's a flat nib. Wow. And it has an eraser on top. This is a sushi notepad. This is for 63, but I remember paying 47 for this mostly. And एक तो इसका spiral placement is at such a unique position. Look at it. इधर. And then again the print is so cute. I don't know what this is written. If you can Google translate it, then please let me know. And अंदर से plain है. Yes, finally a blank notepad. I know the colorful one was also blank, but I wanted like a plain white as well. It's so fun to like sketch on this. And इसका भी GSM अच्छा है. It will be nice to use that same 2B pencil on this. This and this, great combo. And even the cover is matted and there's like hatching on this. इसके पीछे कुछ नहीं है though, but it was under 50 rupees. Then we have this metallic highlighter set because I saw that this has silver and gold and I want to try, and even bronze. अब तो मुझे notebook खोलनी पड़ेगी. You know what? I'm mostly going to use the back of the bill and not a notebook. Let's give it a shot. Is it sparkly? Yeah, it is, I'd say. It does look like dull yellow only. इसमें है sparkle but थोड़ा कम है. If you go over it 2-3 times like this ना, तो थोड़ा सा sparkle दिख रहा है दूर से. Otherwise it looks normal, but it's nice. Like it's not the regular yellow color. तो अगर वो neon yellow ऐसा बहुत आँख में जाता है, then this should be fun. This looks like an actual oil painting. Sorry I start talking about it before I whip it out, but can't control. ये 70 रुपीज़ का है. ये स्टिकी नोट है कि टेयर ऑफ शीट है. इट्स अ नोट पैड, 100 पेजेस का नोट पैड, बट इट एक्चुअली लुक्स लाइक इट्स बिन डन विद अ स्कैल्पल. आई होप इट्स कॉल्ड. ऐसे ऐसे करके पेंट करते हैं ना, ऑयल पेंट. ऐसा ही लग रहा है, ये इफेक्ट वैसा ही दे रहा है. पिक द लाइटर शेड ऑफ कलर सो दैट वी कैन एक्चुअली राइट ऑन दिस. मस्त है ये, क्यूट सा छोटा सा. ओके, दिस I can explain what this is. It looks like a normal pouch ना, ऐसे मस्त इसमें zip है. But wait till I flip it around. This is for 66 rupees. This is actually a bracelet pouch. This is like that snap bracelet जो ऐसे करते ना. I think it's for kids, but ये बहुत प्यारा था. So if you go for runs, this is a really fun pouch to have. You can put your cash and your earphones in this, or maybe your keys as well. And if you like to bicycle, this can go on your bicycle rod as well. So I thought it's multi-purpose, and this avocado is very cute. Another cutie notebook. Wait, I think बहुत notebooks हो गई. Let me show you this fun acrylic box. एक तो इसमें ढक्कन है. Finally I found something with a ढक्कन because I love collecting trinket trays to keep my jewelry, and most trinket trays, because they're trays, they don't have a ढक्कन. और फिर अगर ज्वेलरी घूमती है, स्पेशली रियल ज्वेलरी में, yesterday only I lost something and I found it in an hour, but that 1 hour was so painful. So finally found something with a ढक्कन. This is for 57 rupees, which is a steal for an acrylic box. Acrylic anything is just very expensive, and this being in a cute heart shape makes it even like more special. ये फेक देता है तो इसका एक्चुअल वाइब आएगा. मस्त है ना ये. Imagine putting your watch, and it's very well sized, so you can put your watches, your earrings. I think now I should be allowed to show you. This is a picnic in a notebook. What? There's a basket and fruits and everything. Listen, if you're planning that girls picnic thing, you need to get these for all the girlies in the picnic. This is for 97 rupees. फट नहीं रही है मेरे से. Did I buy a scissor? I needed a scissor. I can never have enough scissors. That is one thing I use the most in my life to open each and everything. We did buy a scissor. This is a scissor with cover. I actually prefer scissor with covers because then it doesn't damage the other things in the drawer that you keep it in. Plus इसका pastel blue color, and even on the cover this flower is so प्यारा. And I keep losing scissors. जगत के सारे rubber band and scissors किधर जाता है? I think they have like a secret meeting, and the scissor group must be bullying the rubber band group and cutting all of them up. Nice, yeah, it's sharp. It's not a baby scissor. I did not want to buy baby scissors. This much part is glossied up, and this has a dark pink spine when we open it. Oh, I can't. This is just very cute यार. अंदर से कैसी है? Rude है यार. Plain करते तो क्या जाता, but ठीक है. And then it has this rubber band thing. बहुत बहुत प्यारी है, and it has the miniature print at the back. I've then bought this only because it had ladybugs on it. But मैं क्या करूँ इसका? Like I keep buying these paper clips. The last time I bought this was years ago. This was for 67 rupees. It's even cheaper than what I would get it for previously. But यार मैं क्या करूँ इस चिपिए का? I use कपड़े सुखाने वाला clip so much more now compared to these. A part of adulting, I guess. I wish all of them had the red ladybug only because it is so realistic. It actually looks like इस पे छोटा सा beetle आके बैठा है. Now that I see the string, I think I get the point कि इस पे Polaroid लगाना होता है. But I'm not into that right now. We'll figure. Tell me now, give me some ideas of what can I use these clips as. A very silly purchase is this scale. Because it has so much of candy on this. I don't want to be looking at so much मिठाई when I'm sitting at my work desk. फिर मुझे मीठा खाने की craving होगी. And oh no, this is not silly. I'm so sorry. Take my words back. This I feel is a left hand LHS स्केल. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड नो, लेफ्टी लोगों के लिए स्केल है ये, क्योंकि इसमें जो नंबर्स है ना वो लेफ्ट साइड पे है. सी, देर ऑल ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड. सो व्हेन यू आर एक्चुअली यूजिंग इट ऐसे यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. वेयर एज नॉर्मल स्केल में the numbers are facing the right side. So if you're a lefty and you struggle with a scale, Mr. DIY has something for a good price point. कितने की थी ये? 60 rupees. Not bad, no. Otherwise, lefty लोगों की scissor scale सब महंगी आती है. So this is a very good price. Plus, it comes with a stand. This is a stand for the scale. So you can have it propped up on your desk and it looks very cute. And they're sitting on an ice cream on the top. We have these pens. Oh, you know, I feel like these are a dupe of the Pilot V5 pen. I love Pilot V5s. But this entire pack was for 130. And that one pen I used to get for 70 back in the day. So आज probably 100 रुपए हो गए होंगे per pen. And this cartridge wali pen, I showed you, no? I'm using SI pen with my current notebook. Look at it. It is so similar. This नीचे वाला pen, this brown pen is what I'm using right now. This is Mr. DIY का pen. ये एक pen is more expensive than this entire pack. How many आते हैं? 5 ना? तो 2 blue है, 2 black है और एक red है. The bag has become very lightweight now. Oh, always take a bag at Mr. DIY. उनके bags काफ़ी ऐसा chargeable है and expensive है. We have a mini stapler. Staplers again are like scissors. You can never have too many staplers. This comes with 1,000 staple pins. Okay, nice. ये 99 rupees का ही है यार. And mainly, you know, I love it because it is this cute shade of blue. I wish कि इसका ऊपर का part भी same solid होता and not like the steel body, but ठीक है. I still like it how it is. Oh, this thing has made my hair quality so much better. This is for 150. Not the one from Mr. DIY. I have it from Alan Truman and from Winston. This is like a hair scalp massager, but I use it to wash my hair because see, your fingers are already stubby. This is even finer. So the way this rinses and cleans your scalp cannot be compared to doing it directly. Highly recommend that you give this a shot. And plus, ये तो pink में था. इनके पास और colors थे. It's a must try for like good hair and good scalp hygiene and quality. I have one more pair of cute socks. It's this plain white pair with a pyara sa pink heart on the top. Look at this. It's embroidered. I like it when things are embroidered, so at least they won't get spoiled. This was for 85 rupees, 81 rupees. Mr. DIY has some of the best collection of hair claw clips and like really unique ones. Look at this one that I found. It's nude beige color and it has this intertwining twisty feel to it. This was for 59 rupees. यार रस्ते पे भी अगर कुछ ऐसा यूनिक होता है ना तो 100 रुपए का तो मिलता ही है. So this is even more economical than street shopping for the hair clips. I love this color. It's very versatile and this whole thing is very French, very unique. We're on to the last thing. It's this bear. So this has a mirror. ठीक है इधर. It has a mirror right here. And it has a comb. I doubt this will be very useful to be honest. But okay, it is combing my hair. So for last minute fixes, sure. For men's hair, definitely. Plus it has a mirror. This was for 52 rupees. Come on. यार ये एक ही problem है मुझे. Why did they give this with this? इससे अच्छा वो keychain ring ही दे देते. ये मुझे नहीं इतना easily open करने आता. This silver chain right here. I hope you enjoyed watching it and please tell me, do you genuinely want me to continue? Because I actually also went to Miniso on a couple more stores after Mr. DIY and let me give you a sneak peek of what's coming in the next video. One of the things is this Barbie phone which actually opens like a flip phone and is a mirror. There's so many more things like this in the next video, so subscribe if you want to watch more of these, and if you enjoyed watching this video then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you did not enjoy watching this video, then that's give it a thumbs down, but let's be respectful to each other in the comments. I'll see you very soon in a brand new video. Until then, stay with me. Goodbye.